Honk, honk. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. No, no leg. Oh, 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 get wrecked. Get freaking no scoped. Oh, oh. Honk, honk. Get emoji wrecked, noob. Honk. Dang it, man. Couldn't get the ball. Couldn't get the orb. I'm in the total darkness right now. I don't know if you guys can see my face cam, but I am in darkness. I am in darkness land. I am in darkness. You know, like I am in forever dark. So, Slitherio. Honk, no! Ha ha, scrub. Big guy tried to get him. He got wrecked. But, I don't know. Random Slitherio video. Because, I don't know. My channel's just completely random crap. And I don't plan on making it a gaming channel, but there's no problem with uploading some Slitherio here and there. At least if it's just a short, dank little video, you feel me? You feel me, fam? See, my worm, or my snake, whatever it is, I made him white, because eggs are white. Gotta represent, fam. Honk! Honk!